We're getting organized today. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Real talk. Today we're talking about getting organized. I've been creating content online for about 3 years now, most of that on LinkedIn. I'm just now dipping my toe into the YouTube and TikTok waters. Today, I thought I'd throw a quick video at you about how to stay organized if you're a really busy person like me. I'm not a full-time content creator. I have a full-time job, I'm a husband and a father, I've got 2 side hustles, and I'm creating content. This is my system to help keep me and maybe you organized. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hop into Notion. Now, I don't know about you, but I use Notion for absolutely everything. I use it for my day job, I use it to run our homeschool program, and I use it to keep myself organized as a content creator. So this is my Notion content calendar, and it is one of the things that I love so much. It keeps me organized. Now, the first thing that I'll tell you about this content calendar is got a couple of different views. First, I can see what's in the idea phase, what's in progress, what am I working on, what's scheduled to go out, and what's been published. The next thing I have is this trusty deadline calendar. And I don't know about you, but there's something about having a calendar that's just full of stuff that makes you feel accomplished, right? And that's one of the things that I actually love about this. It's full of stuff. The next view is absolutely everything. It's everything that I've done. I've been slacking on putting links and the actual finished media in here, but this is set up to where I can click into this and I can put a file so long as it's small enough. And while I am slacking with actually keeping the links and the actual finished media in here, I keep them organized in an SSD drive because I'm doing a lot of video content. This Notion calendar is also equipped with a launch calendar, which tells me when things have officially gone out. So as soon as I put them in the publish section, they actually auto-populate here. And then last, very simple, I have a list of everything that is published on this content calendar. So let's see it in action, shall we? So one thing you should know about me is that I always have lots of ideas. I have a million ideas per minute, and I need some way to quickly document those because they don't always come when I'm sitting here at my desk in my home office. The great thing about Notion is that they have an iOS and I'm sure an Android app. So when I'm on the go, I can use my phone and I can get to this content calendar and input ideas quickly when I have them. So basically what that looks like is this. When I get to my content calendar, it's very simple. It defaults to this view where I can see the statuses. I go to my idea column, I click new, and I just jot down what I'm thinking. Make video about Notion. Boom. As soon as I click enter, that thing is added. Now I can actually click into that card and it gives me more information. Now the cool thing about this is that I've actually made a couple of tailored templates inside these cards. So when I'm sitting here, I've got this video, I'm gonna make a video about Notion. I can come to type and I can say, oh, do I want this to be a YouTube video? Yeah, but where else might it go? It might be a LinkedIn video as well. And I may be able to make a version for TikTok. So that at a glance, I can quickly see when I come out of this, oh, I'm making a video about Notion, it's gonna be YouTube, LinkedIn, and TikTok. The awesome thing about this card system is that this card system can turn into notes pages very quickly. Notion actually has this wonderful feature and they have wonderful templates that you can change and make your own. You can actually find these in their template library. So I have this set up to where whenever I open up a card, I can click into one of these options, blog post, podcast, video, or sponsored post. I get sponsored posts sometimes. But I can click into this and I can hit video and it will auto-populate some options for video. If you're new to content creation, you might need to create some sort of reminder system so that you remember to get back into this every day. What I normally do is I start on Sunday. I get all of my ideas out and on this page on Sunday. I write scripts or I write the actual post. Also on Sunday, if I'm doing text posts like for LinkedIn or if I'm scheduling tweets, I will actually schedule all of the content that is ready. On Mondays, I have a film party where I film everything. I do some editing Monday, but the bulk of my editing is done Tuesday. That 3-day workflow carries me until the next week where I do that all over again. And sometimes, depending on how many ideas I'm able to generate, it will actually last me for more than a week. It might be 2 or 3. Now this video is not actually sponsored by Notion, but Notion. if you want to holler at your boy, go ahead. While it's not sponsored by Notion, and while I am certainly no big deal, I would love to give you my content creation system for absolutely free. All you have to do is like this video and comment that you made it to the end of this video, and I will send you the link to my Notion template so you can use it. Also, if you made it this far, you are a real one and I really appreciate you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and share this video with somebody who is trying to become a content creator and desperately needs a system. I will see you on the next video. Peace.